Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the daily time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But to start things off by stating the obvious, very, very nice bounce today. Any rational person would say, well, considering where it was at the close on Tuesday and then where it ultimately closed today, that was definitely a very, very nice move. But that does all lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out and answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this 58-cent mark. Why? Well, first, because of the update. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why so? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 58 cents. If the price were to come down to 58 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, in a very literal way, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price came down here. However, this situation behaved like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair-steps, well, hey, now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's all about making progress. And once again, the quote-unquote progress point here being defined as 58 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance? Very straightforward at this point. It is all about the purple line right there on my chart, which denotes the 50-period moving average. And you can see right there, didn't quite hit it, but got within the range. Didn't quite hit it, got within the range, rejected. And then right here, surprise, surprise, literally closed right at that level. So that's another big question going forward is, can the price eventually get the breakout of this 50-period moving average? We'll have to see what happens with it. But no doubt about it, today, very nice bounce. Now let's see if the price can build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.